Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to my home, and thank you for inviting me into your home. Now, I was hoping against hope that we'd be back by now and we could have got that assessment out of the way. We'll have to deal with that when we get back. We really have to move on now, so we're going to go to the next topic, which is probability. We're pretty familiar with this, so we'll kick off with a quick reminder. If you could just follow me. So I've set up this fabulous state-of-the-art 21st century whiteboard. Can you see that? Good. Right. What we have here is a list of road traffic accidents. Cars, trucks and bikes, male and females involved. Now, of the car drivers, 30 were male, 20 were female, 15 total. There were 30 truck accidents, 17 were males, so that figures there should be 13 females. Of the bike accidents, 18 were male, 22 female, gives us a total of 40. So that means we've got 120 accidents in total. We have 33, 55 females, and we have 30, 40, 50, 65 males. Good. Does that make sense? Well, 65 males, 55 females, 120. Yes, that's correct. 50, 30, 40, 120. Good. That all adds up. Right. We are going to use this information to work out probabilities. Now, first question. If I choose someone at random, what's the probability they were injured in a car crash? Now, there's a few buzzwords we have to watch out for. If they say randomly, it means out of all of them. Okay, so how many folk were involved in a car crash? There's the cars, 15 total out of 120. 50 people involved out of 120. Okay? Now, this is clumsy. They're asking for the probability of someone being involved in a car crash. For probability, let's just write P. Involved in a car crash, C. The next question. Given it's a female, what's the probability they were hurt on a bike? Alright, so let's translate that. The probability it's a female on a bike. Okay, let's look at that. Given, that means I'm working out of a certain group. Okay, so it's females. Where are the females? How many have I got altogether? 55. So it's going to be out of 55. What am I looking for? Bike. Okay, well, how many females were hurt on bikes? There. Females, bikes, 22. And not enough if you ask me. Right. Randomly selected truck or bike. Randomly selected, well, that means it's out of all of them. 120. Oh, if I see the word or, add them, right? So, how many people were hurt on trucks? 30. How many were hurt on bikes? 40. 30 plus 40, 70. Okay. Last one. What's the probability it was not a female on a bike. Alright, well, how many females were hurt on bikes? There, 22 of them. How many people did I have altogether? 120. So these people were hurt on bikes, the rest weren't. Okay, so 120 minus 22 gives me 98. So randomly selected, 98 people were not hurt on bikes. 98 out of 120. So if I've got all these people lying in hospital beds and I grab one at random, there's a 98 out of 120 chance that they were not a female hurt on a bike. Now, it's pretty much common sense, but it does take a few attempts to get your mind around it. When you're doing these, can I strongly suggest that you keep the answer book open at the back, do 2 or 3 examples, and then double check to make sure you're getting them right. If you're not, go back and try and figure out maybe where you went wrong. If you have any problems, please get in touch with me. Now, it would be, I'm not chasing anyone up, but I would like it if you could take a photograph of the workbook and email it to me. It might also be an idea if you do the work not in the book but on paper. That way you can go back and do the work again further down the line. Guys, good luck to you. As I said, please keep in touch. Any problems, please let me know. All the best to you, gentlemen. I'll sign off now. I'll try and sign off.